Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Everybody stand to lead a prayer. Amen. So before you take your seat, let us energizer.
Yes, teacher.
Shake your hand.
Shake.
Before you sit, please pick up the pieces of papers under the chair and arrange properly. Okay, so take your seat. Who is absent today?
None, teacher.
Very good. So now, kindly pass your assignment.
None.
What was our last topic class meeting, children? Very good. So, are you ready to listen a story?
Yes, teacher.
The title is The Great Number Hunt and Number 5. Once upon a time, a bright and colorful town called Number 5 live all the number from one to each number hunt in own special house. Number 1 live in the first house, number 2 live in the second house, and so on all the way to number 100. Little Miss who lived in the first house realized something was wrong. Oh there, she cried, I tried the number that comes right after it is missing. What's the title of the story, children? Very good. So, what do you think is our lesson for today? Very good, children. Listen carefully because we have a new topic to discuss this afternoon, and it's all about number and number sense. Rules: be honest, be kind, and respect others. So I have an objectives. At the end of the 15 minutes period, 100% of the learners are expected to number 1, demonstrate understanding of whole number up to 100, ordinal number up to 10 by up to each 100, and fraction 1 into and 1/4. Number 2, being able to recognize and represent ordinal number up to 10 and various form. The last, read and write number up to 100 in symbol and word. So I have a group the class into 3 groups. This is group 1 and this is group 2. And the last, this is group 3. Are you done, children?
Yes, teacher.
So please pass it on the front. So our discuss today is number sense. Refers to a person's utilitarian understanding of numbers, their relationships, and their practical application. Example, estimating, comparing, understanding, recognizing, and the number is
Dito po yan. Binan. Binan.
and the number is a mathematical object used to count, measure, and label. It represents a quantity or position, sequence, example, counting, measuring, labeling. Now, I will ask question. I want you to observe, understood class.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Let's have a quiz. Direction. Circle the correct answer. Which of the following numbers is the largest? And number 2, what is the value of 30 plus 50? And number 3, which number is between 100 and 50? Number 4, round 78 to the nearest 10. Number 5, what is half of 50? So, okay, so pass it. Are you done, children?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So now I have an assignment.